And the national women's basketball team lost their FIBA AfroBasket opener to Mozambique, going down 55-39 in Dakar, Senegal. Next up, Kenya plays Cape Verde tomorrow. Coach Ronnie Owino was forced to travel with only 4 players missing due to lack of logistical challenges, I should say. The Lady Morans' best ever performance at the tournament was in 1993, incidentally in Dakar, when they got to the finals but lost to host Senegal. Kenya's previous participation was in the 2013 edition, where they finished 10th. At stake in this competition is a ticket to the Tokyo 2020 Olympic Games. Nigeria are the defending champions.